Hey everyone, welcome back to the Royal Room. Let's start off today's tutorial by priming our eyelids, and I use the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in white or 604 Milk. Like I told y'all, I never use specific brushes. I use whatever brush I feel like. So I'm getting this all over my lid, and then once I'm ready to go in with my bright colors, it'll pop. So I'm going to use the Morphe James Charles mini palette, and the colors that I'm using are Escape, which is a deep purple, Cola, which is a pretty periwinkle color, and then the Spooky, which is a black. The first color I'm using is the Escape on the outer corners of my eyes. And then I ended up using my Juvia palette too. It's the Violets palette, which I really love. My favorite color is purple, so I went in with the deepest purple that's on there next on the corners of my eyes as well, to add a little depth to my corners. So instead of Cola, I ended up using Brother. There's a color called Brother in the Morphe palette, and I thought that would be better for the center of my lids, so I used that instead. And then I went back to the Juvia palette and the Violets palette. I used the shimmery colors that are there, because there are like 2 out of 6 that have like a, well no, I'm lying, there are 3 out of 6 that have like a shimmer to them. But I used the lightest purple that has like a glitter, and then the next would be like a pink almost, not even a purple, it's like pink. I used that as well for the inner corners of my eyes. So next I went in with the Zulu palette, and in the corners of my eyes I used one of the pressed pigments, which is this pretty turquoise blue. And then I lined my upper lash line with the Perfect Precision l.agirl eyeliner in the color Velvet Black. Next, I went in with the Perfect Precision eyeliner on my lower lash line in the color Tropical. I thought it would enhance the, corners of my eyes, and I really love this color. So I decided to go ahead and do my lower lash line with it. Here I'm adding Marcel. It's a 24-hour day and night moisturizing gel to my face, just to keep my face hydrated under all this makeup. And I got it from my Birchbox from this month, so I wanted to try it out, and I really liked it. It left me feeling velvety smooth and really hydrated. Here I'm adding the Professional by Benefit along with my foundation, and I'm using NYX Total Control in the color Chestnut, as well as NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat foundation, the liquid foundation, in the color Cocoa. So I mix all of those because I feel like they give me the right complexion of chocolate, because I'm like 3 shades of chocolate. So I thought that, and it works better for me. You have to figure out what works better for your skin, because I have really dry skin. So I have to figure out a combination, and so far it's been working, so I've been using it. And now I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of Pro Concealer, and it's the Pro Concealer, oh goodness, what color is it? It's the Orange Corrector, duh. It's the Orange Corrector, and I just use it on my face when I'm about to do my highlight and everything. I don't really contour, so yeah, this is my version of it, I guess. Here I'm adding a little bit of mineral powder in the color Ebony by Ruby Kisses, just to set my face. And I'm using it everywhere except where I put my concealer, because I'm going to go in with my NYX HD Studio Photogenic press powder, finishing powder, and I'm going to add that where I can put my concealer. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend it all in. Running through me, you can't take this away from me. Oh, the way I hear the melody, the waves bring clarity. Running through me, hey, you can't take this away from me. The way I hear the melody, the waves bring clarity. Running through me, come on y'all, you can't take this away from me. Oh, the way I hear the melody, the waves bring clarity. Running through me, yeah, it's running through me. Like I said, I don't contour my nose and stuff, but this is my version of it, because I'm going to go in and I'm going to highlight these areas. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with one of my blending brushes. Here, I'm going to take my pencil. It's a highlighter pencil. It's called the Brow Gal by Tanya Crooks, and it's in the color Toffee / Bronze number 3. And I'm just going to use it to highlight. I'm going to do under my brow, my nose, Cupid's bow, chin, and my the upper part of, I guess, the apples of my cheeks. Yeah, and I'm gonna blend it all out just to get a little bit of highlight on. Next, I'm going to use a little bit of blush from the BB Ultimate Glam palette. I'm going to use the color Sunkiss and the color Divine. And I'm going to use them on the apples of my cheeks just for a little bit of color. Give me a bronzy look. Come on, y'all. You can't take this away from me. Oh, the way I hear the melody, the waves bring clarity. Running through me. In that same palette, I went back and put a little bit of the Bordeaux color because I added a little bit of red to the apples in my cheeks. It's kind of like a wineish red color, and I just wanted just a little faint hint of it. Once again, to reiterate, I do not contour, but I wanted to add a little depth to my face. So I used the color from the BB palette Dark Side to go in under the jawline, just to add a little bit of shape to my face. And then I went in and lined my lips, and I lined it with the l.agirl, it's their Perfect Precision Lip Liner, and I used the color Vamp. So off camera, I added lipstick. It really wasn't off camera. I thought I was recording and I wasn't. But either way, it's the Vavoom Matte Lipstick by l.agirl. And I didn't really like that color. So what I did was I went in with the Liquid Catsuit by Wet n Wild. It's a metallic Mega Lash lipstick. And it's in the color Sea Seduction. So I added that on top. And I wanted it to be more matte than what it was actually looking. So I actually set it with some finishing powder, my NYX HD Studio Finish. And yeah, that was pretty much it. Well, no, for my lips at least. So next, after I cleaned up around my lips, I went in with the Max Volume Mascara by Wet n Wild and just did my eyelashes. And I have natural long lashes, but I like them to look a little more defined. So I use 2 eyeliners. Sometimes I'm sorry, not eyeliners. I use 2 mascaras, sometimes 3. This time I used 2. So the second one, I used the l.agirl Encore Volume All Day Lasting Water Resistant Mascara. And yeah, when they say water resistant, this did not come off until the next day. So be careful. So yeah, that's it. That is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, you guys. I'm recording you.
No, you're not. Oh, you is.
At least I didn't put it on Snap.
Oh, no, you doing your makeup tutorial.
Yes. Can you move?